if you have been saving money on your OPay account, with this video that I'm about to share with you, you will be making some percentage with that your money that you have been saving with them. They are going to be paying you on a daily basis. All you have to do is just to deposit your money on your OPay account, and they are going to be paying you every day with this video that I'm about to share with you. Before we go to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel before, please don't forget to hit on subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that anytime we upload our new video, you will be the first person to see it.
Warning. This video is intended solely for educational purposes. Reproduction or utilization of any code or content from this video for illegal activities is strictly prohibited. It is essential to comply with all governmental laws and regulations. Failure to do so may result in your arrest and legal accountability for any illegal activities. Thanks.
All you have to do is to come to this menu here where I'm going to point the arrow to. You come to this menu under, which is financial. You come here where the arrow is pointing to. So I will touch it for me to show you the next step from here. So I'll touch it. So after you have touched a menu like this will open up to you. From here, for you to do the setting, for you to put on the setting, you will come to this option here, which is the setting. You will come to this setting option. I will touch it from here to put up the setting. Go to interest setting where the arrow is pointing to. So I will touch it from you to see there how it looks like. So after you have touched it, it will open like this to you. All you have to do for you to make sure that you will be receiving interest on your daily savings with your OPay, you make sure that this dot here, make it round, which is the way it's showing white here. Make sure that it show white. But if you turn into a brown dot, which means you are not going to receive anything at all on your daily savings. But if you should leave it like this, on your daily savings, you will be receiving interest on the total amount you have been saving on that your account. So let me show you just an example of it. You can see that the dot have already changed to blue. You can see it here that it has already changed to blue, which means I'm not going to receive any interest on the daily saving. But once I turn it off, every day I will be receiving interest on my daily savings. So I will turn it off because I want to receive interest on my daily savings. So I've disabled it. After you have disabled it, then you touch on apply. For you to apply it, this is where you touch. So I will touch apply. Then you can see that interest has been enabled on my screen there. So the next place we are going to go is automatic investment, which means where the arrow is pointing to. You touch on this automatic investment. So I'm going to touch it for you to see how it looks like. So you can see here on my screen that automatic transfer balance into OWealth. Autosave will be proceed between 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. every day. What you are going to do next from here is that you come to this option here, which is turn on auto save. You touch it. Once you touch it, the auto save will be open up to you. So I'm going to touch it for you to see how it looks like. You can see on the screen here which say auto save has been turned on. Money in your wallet balance has been transferred to your OWealth, and any money sent to your OPay wallet will be instantly credited to your wallet. So this is how it looks like. So which means any money you are going to put in your OPay account, it will automatically converted to your OWealth, and from that OWealth you can still send it out to, if you want to withdraw it at any time, you can withdraw it. If you want to send it to any person, you can still send it to any person you want. So from here now you see the option here. Then what you are going to do from here, you touch OK. You make sure you touch on the OK. So I'm going to touch it for you to see how it looks like. They have touched it. Then after you have touched it, it will show something like this to you. After you have seen a new menu like this, the next thing you are going to do is for you to set it. You go to this setting here at the bottom. Once you touch it, you can set it from that 11 p.m. to the next day. So I'm going to touch it from here.
To set up your spend and save, you touch on this video.
You can see from here showing that receive money directly in your OWealth. Money sent to your OPay wallet will be paid directly to your OWealth, and money currently in your OPay balance will be automatically moved to your OWealth. If you want the money to be moved from your OPay account to your OWealth account directly, this is where you set it. But if you don't want the money to move from your OPay account to your OWealth account directly, this is where you set it, and which means you are going to set it to from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. which means you can put money on your OPay account from morning till 10 o'clock in the night, and once you put money from morning till 10 o'clock in the night, automatically once time reach 10, the money will move from that your OPay to your OWealth account. And once you click on this option here, once you take it here, the money will automatically be moved from 10 p.m. which is every night, every 10 p.m. the money will be moved from your OPay account to your OWealth account. So after you have turned it on, you come to this apply. You touch this apply from here. So I'm going to touch the apply for you to see. I'll first of all click on this option here. I will click on this option that will touch the apply. Let me touch it for you to see how it look like. I've changed it now. You can see it there that I've changed it though. I will now come to apply. I've applied it.
Now you have watched the video, please don't forget to like, drop your comment and share it with your friend. And if you have not subscribed to the channel before, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.